Alright, I'm doing a video on two different reflector panels. One is a mirror reflector, the one on the left, and the other one scatters the reflection a bit more, as you can see here. So the name of these two are Miro 4 and Miro 20. So Miro 4 is the one that reflects like a mirror. And if we go into the catalog, you can see Miro 4 is here. And it reflects 95% of the light, but the diffuse reflection is quite low, below 12%, so that means most of it reflects like a mirror. The other one, Miro 20, which scatters the light a bit more, which is also called scatter glass here, you can see that one reflects almost the same, 94% of the light. But 94% of it is diffusing, so that means it doesn't reflect exactly like a mirror. So maybe I'll just show you this with a little experiment. I'll place them, Miro 4 first and Miro 20 next to it, and then we shoot with a laser. So you can see the laser is on the table here, and then when I put it onto the Miro 4 you can see almost a perfect mirror reflection. If I carry it over and go onto the Miro 20, you get a more diffuse reflection. And this also matches what you see in the catalog, that Miro 4 has a sort of very point-like reflection, whereas Miro 20, which is here, has a much more sort of diffusing reflection. So the diffusing reflection is great because it means that the light, if it uses for a light shelf and direct sunlight comes on, then it doesn't give a very harsh beam of light on the ceiling because it scatters the light, and therefore it's much more pleasant and you don't see unevenness on the light shelf. So we always prefer to use Miro 20, and with a clear lacquer. It can be installed outdoors with a warranty of 10 years.